You need to watch this if you struggle with soggy fries. Join me as I put the top 5 air fryers of 2024 to the test. Which one really deserves your kitchen space? Let's find out. By clicking on the affiliate link in the description below to make a purchase, you're helping support this channel at no extra cost to you and ensuring the lowest price available. Thank you for your support. Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the top 5 air fryers of 2024. Air fryers have become a staple in modern kitchens, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. That's why I've compiled this ultimate buying guide to help you make the best choice for your kitchen. Whether you're looking to save time, eat healthier, or simply enjoy the convenience of quick and easy meals, these air fryers have got you covered. From compact models perfect for small spaces to larger, more versatile options, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these air fryers bring convenience and efficiency to your cooking game. Imagine whipping up crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, or even baking a cake with minimal effort and cleanup. The possibilities are endless. Let's jump right in and explore these fantastic kitchen gadgets. First up, we have the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. This one's a beast with a 1 cubic foot capacity, large enough to fit a 14-pound turkey. It's not just an air fryer, it's a multifunctional oven that can handle a variety of cooking tasks. Whether you're roasting, baking, or air frying, this appliance can do it all. It's perfect for big gatherings or meal prepping for the week. It cooks faster than a standard oven and offers 12 cooking functions including air fry, bake, roast, broil, and more. Imagine preparing a full meal for your family in a fraction of the time it would take with a conventional oven. Plus, it connects to the Breville Plus app for easy recipe access and an autopilot feature. This means you can control the cooking process from your smartphone, making it even more convenient. The app also provides step-by-step instructions and cooking tips to help you get the most out of your air fryer. Large capacity, versatile cooking options, app connectivity. It's a powerhouse in the kitchen, but it does come with a few drawbacks. Takes up more counter space, higher price point. If you have a small kitchen or are on a budget, this might not be the best option for you. Next is the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 Mini Air Fryer. This compact model is perfect for smaller kitchens or anyone cooking for 1 or 2 people. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with its versatile cooking functions. Ideal for smaller kitchens or anyone cooking for 1 or 2 people. It's compact, quick, and versatile with baking, roasting, and reheating functions. You can easily prepare a variety of meals without taking up too much counter space. It's also super easy to clean, which is always a plus. The non-stick basket and tray can be quickly wiped down or placed in the dishwasher, saving you time and effort. Compact size, quick preheating, easy to clean. It's a great option for those who want the benefits of an air fryer without the bulk. Limited cooking capacity, fewer functions compared to larger models. While it's perfect for small meals, it might not be suitable for larger families or those who like to cook in bulk. Moving on to the Ninja Foodi Flex Basket Air Fryer. This innovative model features multi-zone cooking with a removable divider, allowing you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously. It's like having 2 air fryers in one. This one features multi-zone cooking with a removable divider, allowing you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously. Whether you're preparing a main dish and a side, or cooking for different dietary preferences, this air fryer makes it easy to multitask. It also has a dehydration setting, perfect for drying herbs and making healthy snacks. You can make your own dried fruits, jerky, and more, adding a new dimension to your cooking repertoire. However, it's a bit noisy. The powerful fan and heating elements can create a noticeable hum, which might be a drawback for some users. Multi-zone cooking, dehydration setting, user-friendly display. The intuitive controls make it easy to select the right settings for your meal, and the clear display ensures you can monitor the cooking process at a glance. Higher noise level takes up more space. If you have a quiet kitchen or limited counter space, you might want to consider these factors before purchasing. Fourth on the list is the Cosori Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This model combines multiple kitchen appliances into one, offering air frying, toasting, baking, and more. It's a versatile powerhouse that can replace several gadgets in your kitchen. This model combines multiple kitchen appliances into one, offering air frying, toasting, baking, and more. It's quite powerful and great for those who need a versatile machine. Whether you're making breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this air fryer can handle it all. Multifunctional, powerful, spacious. The large interior can accommodate a variety of dishes, making it perfect for families or those who love to entertain. Bulky can be complex to use at first. The multitude of functions and settings might take some time to get used to, but once you do, you'll appreciate the versatility it offers. Last but not least, the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. This air fryer is known for its high performance and large capacity, making it perfect for families. It's designed to handle large meals with ease, ensuring everyone gets a delicious, evenly cooked dish. This air fryer is known for its high performance and large capacity, making it perfect for families. It also features fat removal technology to help make your meals healthier. By reducing the amount of fat in your food, you can enjoy your favorite fried dishes with less guilt. High performance, large capacity, health focus. It's a great choice for those who prioritize healthy eating and need a reliable, high-capacity air fryer. Expensive, large footprint. The premium features come at a higher price, and the large size might not be suitable for all kitchens. So there you have it, the top 5 air fryers of 2024. Each of these models offers unique features and benefits, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a compact model for quick meals, or a versatile powerhouse for family feasts, there's an air fryer on this list for you. Each of these models has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all offer something unique to fit different cooking needs and lifestyles. Take the time to consider what features are most important to you and how you plan to use your air fryer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews and tips. Your support helps us bring you more content to make your cooking experience even better. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Remember, the right air fryer can transform your kitchen and make meal prep a breeze. Enjoy exploring new recipes and creating delicious, healthy meals with your new air fryer.